Lately, I've been realizing that life could be pretty unpredictable. It's been very tough keeping up with all the new innovations in technology and AI. Also found myself feeling creatively stuck and overwhelmed by it all. Thankfully, whenever I hit this point, I do exactly this. I head back into nature. Being in nature is like coming home for me. It's where all my best ideas come from, and it just brings me this amazing sense of peace. I'm extremely honored and grateful to be able to share these videos with you guys. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button. Yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. With more and more of us living in cities, I think it's extremely important for us to retreat into nature, to share energy with the divine, to reach a level of equilibrium. Through this equilibrium, we can head back into the city with peace of mind and a clear perspective on what we need to do next. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll be creating more of this type of content. And yeah, peace and love.